fire, huh? Yeah, somebody made a fire here, huh?
No.
Yeah.
I need to take a piss, so don't film.
Huh?
Don't film. Don't piss towards me.
You gonna go pee, Chris?
Yeah. Mom, don't look.
Not so loud, Chris. People are coming. Say cheese for the camera.
Say hi to YouTube.
Say hi to you too.
Uh-oh. Somebody's being
Okay, Tina, you're not
silly.
gonna get up anymore. Hey, Tina, they're like,
Are you sure you want to do that?
Oh God, I'm stuck.
Yeah. Especially with bad shoes like that.
Tina.
Say hi to YouTube.
Say hi, you too. What?
Oh, sure. Now, Chris, you go there too.
Oh, straight up to here. Oh. Wow,
And he did this all without hiking shoes.
I'm gonna jump. Hey, look at my shoes. No.
Say hi to them.
Huh?
Say hi.
Hi. To who?
To your mom and dad.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. The Kruger is back there.
I'll jump it if you give me $5. Would you?
We can.
Would you give me $5
No.
if I jump?
Then
yeah.
you don't need.
What?
Then you don't need $5 anymore because then you're dead.
No, I wouldn't be dead jumping here.
Yeah.
Don't jump there.
No, Chris.
That's gonna be a broken leg for sure.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it will.
Here to there?
And it'll be an ambulance ride.
All the way to my house?
All the way to the hospital.
You're not getting to the
I'm not
house.
jumping down
You're
there.
gonna be in the hospital for a few weeks, Chris.
Let's just.
Jump this way.
That's rock covered with a little bit of moss. Hey, don't go down there again.
Yeah, I want to climb it again.
Oh,
Okay, here, I'm
should we have brought
jump
ropes
this way.
or a ladder or something?
Here, do you think this will be a broken leg if I jump this?
Here's your camera.
Huh?
Can I use my shoe? Will someone go and get it? Yeah.
What?
Yeah, you will.
I don't have a shoe to go.
You'll have to hop.
Do you think I can climb this?
Not that one.
Just straight up here. Watch this. I can. I can.
Chris?
I don't think you should.
Okay, so here. Play tough. Okay, maybe. Yeah, Tina, play tough. Okay, it's really strong.
Well, I thought there was someone behind me.
There was.
Are you filming it?
Never mind, I can't do it.
Yeah, I can.
Hold on. I can do it over here.
I want, hey, Chris.
Okay, ready? Tell me when you're ready. I'll just pull you up.
You're gonna do a survival. Maybe push you a little bit first.
Push it.
Hey, okay, and now both look to me.
Lad. Okay, you're... I can do it way faster.
Here, I'll help you.
Shoot, my smoke.
Here,
Hey,
catch
no.
it, okay?
Hey, Tina, hey, no, come.
I'll make it seem dramatic.
Mommy,
Ugh.
you just had one.
Fire. Hey, fire over there.
It's probably
I just said.
Yeah. Hey, Kelly, fire. Hey,
it's a campfire probably. Here, go up on that one. You'll see it. Here, this one. Go.
did you see it, Chris?
Yeah, people have fires all the time.
Over there.
Yeah.
Mom, I can give you a Christmas tree.
The one you peed on it, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's a good fertilizer.
Honestly.
Tell me if mine's better, okay?
Oh yeah.
Hey, watch out, their glasses here.
Yeah, no.
You
Oh,
know?
I don't want to do it on
No, Tina, you cannot do it with your...
That was even stupider.
How stupid are
I'm gonna do a cartwheel.
Oh, you're filming yourself.
Tina, I'm gonna do a cartwheel.
Is that your?
Yeah, Chris, they're like the things here. Glasses, Chris. Look, here, all over the place. We can't do it
Let's
here.
get off. I want to film me when I jump off here.
Oh.
Go with it, please.
It's not pretty smart, huh? Ah.